What's up, guys? I hope you're having an amazing year. My year is off to just a crazy first half. Leaving my job, the financial illiterates, it's been nuts, like really nuts. And today I wanted to talk about Ally Bank, the good and the bad. I've been on Ally Bank now for 6 months after moving off from Bank of America, so let's talk about it. Okay, cool. So I've been on Ally Bank for about 6 months, moving off of Bank of America. I haven't quite finished that move. I have like one more. We have Kimmy's paycheck. We have like 2 more bills that are still going out of Bank of America, but everything else is on Ally Bank account. I have 1 checking and 2 savings with them. So I just wanted to talk about what I've enjoyed about Ally Bank and what's been not so great compared to a traditional bank like Bank of America. So the good. Obviously, the main reason that I moved was the interest rate. So Bank of America, I was earning, I don't even know if there was an interest rate. If there was, it was basically 0. So I'm now earning interest on my checking and my savings. I moved there primarily for the savings interest rate, which is now, I believe, 2.2. Ally Bank savings rate. 2.1%. I'm currently earning 2.1% on my savings account and like 0.1%, something like that on checking. It's very little on checking, but that's amazing. I have like, I don't know, like 10, 15,000 in savings right now, and I'm making like, I don't know, I should have done this math before. And that's amazing. So if you have like $1,000 sitting in your savings account, every year you're earning $2. Nope, that's wrong math. $20.10. That's wrong math too. $21 on that every year is just like free magical money. Now, that might seem like a lot, it might not seem like a lot, but if you take into account inflation, which is on average about 2% a year, you're actually just maintaining your money. So at least you're not burning it now. So that's been great. Unlimited accounts. So this has been really cool. I don't currently have more than 1 checking account, but I can have an unlimited number of checking accounts if I wanted. I've been thinking about doing this to move some money around and make some automated finance stuff work a little bit better, track my business expenses a little bit better. I do have multiple savings accounts though. I used one for our rental property in San Jose. That's where we kept our security deposit, and I made like $35 on just holding a security deposit, which was awesome. And then my other one is just like where I keep everything. Their support has been nothing but good. There's a couple of weird things you had to reach out to support for, like getting a debit card in the first place. Like you can't order one through their website. That was a little weird, but their support was incredibly helpful, incredibly fast. They have chat, phone support. I've used only the chat. I don't think I've tried phone yet. No, I haven't tried phone yet, but really fast, really effective. And okay, this is a bit more of a nerdy one, but I've been working in sort of the banking, finance, technology scenes for my whole career. And the one thing that banks always really suck at is an API. An API, if you don't know, is just a programmatic interface to blah, 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 to pull data from your bank. Tools like YNAB and Mint, they use this API. So what that meant was with Bank of America, it would take many days before it clears my bank account and shows up in those tools. Ally is almost instantaneous. The second I see it in Ally Bank, I see it in YNAB, which is amazing in terms of staying on top of your finances. There's nothing worse than you spending $1 on your bank account and it not showing up in your budgeting tool for like another 5 days, 10 days, sometimes 15 days. Come on, Citibank. There's nothing harder to budget for. Okay, the bad. It depends on how you use banks on whether you classify this as bad. So if you have a check that you need to deposit and you can't use their app, they do have mobile deposit, which is great, works well, except for this one check that I had that was sent to me by mail and the address was printed on the back of it, so it couldn't recognize the back. So I was like, how do you deposit a check when you can't go to the bank? So I reached out to their support, again, very helpful. They told me I had to mail it. Yeah, like in an envelope. So that kind of sucked. But it did work, showed up in my account. I don't know, it was like five, maybe 7 days later, and it worked. So the only other piece, and both of these are related to not having physical branches, is getting cash. So if you need a large amount of cash, I don't even know how to do that yet. I'd probably just transfer it to my Bank of America account and take it out that way. Normal, like everyday, day-to-day cash, like $100 here, $200 there, whatever an ATM will allow you to take out, just use an ATM. The cool thing, so wow, I put this on the bad list, but maybe it's actually on the good list. The cool thing is they reimburse ATM fees up to a certain amount. I don't remember what that amount is. You can look it up, but I've never actually hit that limit. They reimburse ATM fees, so just use any ATM. But like I said, I have no clue how to get out a large amount of cash. I don't even know if you can. Anyways, that's my experience with Ally Bank over the last 6 months. I've really been loving it. I think they are the bank of the future. That seems ridiculous. And this is not sponsored in any way. Trust me, if it could be sponsored, it would be sponsored. There's just like no affiliate program for Ally Bank. I wish there was. If anyone from Ally Bank is watching this, if anyone from Ally Bank is one of my 114 subscribers, you guys got an affiliate program? Like I'd love to do this because I love your bank. Okay, cool. That's it for today. A very nerdy financial bank video, which, to be honest, is probably gonna be a lot more of these videos because I'm really digging this financial thing. If you haven't checked out the Financial Illiterates podcast, please do. Link is in the description. We have a YouTube channel now. We're posting on IGTV. We got a regular old audio podcast. Like, subscribe, do all the things, and I will see you guys next time. Peace. This setup has gotten just obnoxious. It just took me like 45 minutes to move everything over here and set up all the lights and there's a microphone here now. There's a light behind me. There's a reflector panel over here. There's a light over there. It's bonkers.